DJ Racks and Stands is a leading provider of high-quality, durable and stylish DJ equipment racks and stands. There are many products available to choose DJ racks and stands, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best DJ racks and stands from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Projector Stand Tripod from 23 to 46. Laptop Tripod Stand Height Adjustable. The Dacosis Projector Stand Tripod is a sturdy and versatile stand suitable for various devices. With an updated protection design, it is easy to install within 5-10 minutes and can hold up to 22 pounds. The top tray can be tilted 180 and adjusted from 23.5 to 46.5 inches for a comfortable viewing angle. The stand is portable and easy to store after disassembling. It is perfect for office, home, stage, studio, and DJ racks. Number 2. Projector Tripod Stand, Foldable Laptop Tripod. The LeoGas Tripod Stand is a versatile and durable solution for your laptop or projector needs. With its quick and easy setup, it is perfect for home, stage, or studio use. The stand supports laptops, projectors, and other audio equipment, making it ideal for musicians, DJs, performers, teachers, and students. The adjustable tripod allows you to customize the height from 17.7 to 47.2, while the 300 tray adjustment provides flexibility for various tasks, such as presentations, recordings, and speeches. The sturdy metal structure and raised support lips ensure stability and protection for your electronic devices. With its compact design and included accessories like the gooseneck phone holder, the LeoGas Tripod Stand offers convenience and versatility for all your office, home, stage, or studio needs. Number 3. InnoJar Projector Stand Tripod. The InnoJar Projector Stand is a versatile and portable tripod stand that can be adjusted from 21 inches to 54 inches in height. It is easy to assemble and can be folded into a compact size for easy portability. With its enhanced load capacity of 30 pounds, it can securely hold your projector and laptop. The flexible and stable tray offers 360 angle adjustment and is backed with a steel plate for durability. The non-slip pad on the surface and the elastic belts provide additional stability, ensuring that your items stay in place. Made of premium steel, this sturdy tripod design minimizes shaking and enhances stability. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, the InnoJar Projector Stand is suitable for various applications such as home theater, office, studio, and outdoor movie nights. Number 4. Amada Home Furnishing Projector Stand. The Amada Projector Stand with Wheels, also known as the Amada Projector Stand, is a versatile and convenient solution for your presentation and entertainment needs. Crafted from sturdy cold-rolled steel, this stand offers rock-solid stability with a weight capacity of 22 pounds. The enlarged triangular base, equipped with elastic device straps and a foam mat, ensures that your equipment stays secure and stable. With premium 360 rotating caster wheels, you can easily roll your equipment anywhere you need it. The height adjustable feature allows you to choose the perfect position, while the plus 90 tilt function guarantees the optimal projection angle. The spacious metal platform provides ample space for laptops, sheet music, and more. Additionally, the stand is portable and comes with a storage bag, making it ideal for on-the-go presentations or entertainment events. Number 5. Ilift Projector Stand. The Ilift Portable Projector Stand is a versatile and durable stand that is perfect for home, office, stage, studio, and outdoor movies. It is made of ultra-strong and durable metal, providing great support and stability for your equipment. The stand can hold up to 13.2 pounds and has a raised edge on the supporting tray for added security. With its height adjustment feature, you can easily adjust the stand from 21.7 to 33.9, allowing you to use your laptop while sitting or standing. The stand also comes with a detachable phone holder and Velcro straps to ensure the safety of your equipment. Its foldable tripod base and tilting tray make it easy to store and set up in minutes. The Ilift Portable Projector Stand is a reliable and convenient choice for all your projection needs. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.